Hi, welcome to my first video. In this video, I will show you how to edit Moody Night Preset in Lightroom Mobile. These are an example photos, before and after using this preset. Let's start the photo editing tutorial. First, go to the Light menu. Exposure to +70. -25 for contrast. Highlight to -60. Bring shadows to +15. White to -15. And -24 black. Now, go to the curve tone. And follow the curve tone. And then, go to the color menu. Adjust the temperature to +12. Tint to -5. +15 for vibrance. And bring the saturation to -20. Now, go to color mix. For red color, adjust hue to -5. Saturation to -25. And luminance +25. Next, go to orange color, +8 for hue. -14 for saturation. And bring luminance to -5. Go to yellow color. Hue to -84. Saturation to -14. And luminance to +1. Next, go to green color. Bring hue to -20. Saturation to -36. And -59 for luminance. Move to aqua color, +100 for hue. Saturation to -54. And luminance to 27. Go to blue color. Hue to -23. Adjust saturation to -37. And luminance to +10. Next, go to purple color. Bring luminance to +10. Go to magenta color. Adjust luminance to +10. Now, move to Effects menu. +10 for clarity and dehaze. And then, go to Split Tone. For highlight, Adjust hue and saturation to 22. For shadows, bring hue to 200 and saturation to 10. And -70 for balance. Now, go to Detail menu. Sharpening to 15. Color noise reduction to 25. Edit's done. Now, you can try to copy this preset and paste to other photos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and have a nice day.